is math lesson 134. You'll notice Miss Ellie skipped ahead to math and did not have a phonics lesson today because today would be another graduation practice day and we would be doing a reader group today. So no phonics work today. Make sure you go over your reader book with Mom today. Pick out a couple stories and read your reader book. All right, let's get to our math lesson today. Before we start with our directions for our worksheet, let's count to 100 by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's count to 100 by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now, I bet y'all were going to say, Miss Ellie's going to make us count to 100 by ones. I'm not going to do that. That would take us a long time. So if you want to do that at home, that would be great. You can go ahead and practice counting to 100 by ones. All right, the next thing I want to go over is let's do some times. I'm going to put on a time on the clock. You tell me what time it is, and we are going to write it on the board, okay? All right, let's look at this. What time is this? 1:30. How do we write 1:30? Mr. Frog, will you hold that for a minute? 1:30. Y'all should know how to write 1:30 by now. 1, ... 30. 1:30. All right, let's look at another time. What time is this? It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Now, we've been doing time writing o'clock since before Christmas. So we should know we write 8, ... 00. 8 o'clock. And the last one that we learned is time to the quarter hour. So let's do that one. Here is, what is the time on the clock? 5:15. 5:15. All right, how do we write 5:15? Just the way we say it. 5, ... 15. Let me show you something on our clock quickly. All right, let's say that the time is right here. All right, all right, and our clock is here. The time is what? Let's look here. The time is, it's not quite on the 8, is it? So we can't call it 8 yet because it has not gotten there. So we need to still say 7:30, all right? If it's in between, you gotta go back to the number in front, all right? 7:30. Make sure you know that because for your worksheet you're gonna do today, there's one clock that might be kind of tricky, okay? So I wanna show you that. All right. Here's our worksheet for today. Mom, go to our number skills workbook and get out page 108. It actually will be on the back of this one that we just did. All right, we did this one a couple of days ago on a lesson 132. So we want to look at page 108 in our number skills. This is for lesson 134. All right, here's what we have to do. You'll notice that the box comes after the number. All right, so now think. You're going to write the number in the box that comes after this number. Number 29, what comes after that? 30. That's what you'll write in the box, okay? That's the way you do all of those. You know how to do that by now. All right, here's your clocks. Here's what you need to do. Here you've got a regular clock. Here you've got digital time. Look at this clock and match it. Draw a line to match it to the time on the digital time. All right? Be careful, there's kind of a tricky one in there. On part number 3, you're going to do addition. This is easy. You should be able to do that very quickly now. All right, down here on part number 4, where you see the helicopters, you have to read the directions. It says color, and then it gives you a number word. I'm not going to tell you what that number word is because you should know. That is how many helicopters you need to color. All right? That is your math lesson for today.